In this video, I will show you how to get Verizon off my credit report. To remove Verizon from your credit report, get a copy of your credit report from all major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, to review the entries. You can get free copies from annualcreditreport.com. Confirm that the Verizon entry on your report is accurate by checking the account details, amounts, and dates. Contact Verizon's customer service to discuss the entry. Request documentation if needed and ask if they can remove or update the entry. If the entry is incorrect or outdated, file a dispute with the credit bureaus online through their websites. Provide evidence and details supporting your dispute. If the debt is valid and you're willing to pay, negotiate a pay-for-delete agreement with Verizon where you agree to pay the debt in exchange for the removal of the entry from your credit report. After resolving the issue, monitor your credit reports to ensure the entry is removed or updated as agreed. For complex situations, consider consulting a credit repair professional for assistance. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.